Hello everyone, Maximilian here, coming up with the next video. This time I will show you exactly step by step how you can submit your orders on JoyaBuy. As for now, all the products that I ordered are now in a warehouse, so let's just ship them and let's ship this package back to my place. So as you can see, this is how it all looks like when you have your products in your warehouse. So you've got the pictures, the quality check pictures. With the accuracy pictures, you can just see if everything is alright with the products. They just make sure you just get the full glance on the product before you just ship this thing to your house. You can just see every single detail of the product, so that's nice. And now, once you have all the products in here, I want you to just select all the products simply by clicking this selection tool. What I do is just click on the submit the package. So let's do it, let's submit it. Here you also have to put the address information, and I'll be back just in a second. So now I've got all the information fulfilled. As you can see, now we have also different actions we can do to the products. Here is the quantity of the product, here is the weight for the product. Here we can also just select different value added services to the products, just following the shoebox or just adding the shoes tree and etc, or we can actually remove the packaging. So that's really nice. We have all the things in here, and yeah, let's just ship out this thing. So here in the packaging details, you also have the different options such as the carton and cotton cord, or the vacuuming option, or the carton and reinforcement, stretch membrane and waterproof membrane, which you can add to the products. And here is the list of different shipping methods. So now, as you can see, we have different shipping methods, and the most popular one is definitely the DHL line. And if you are from Europe, I highly recommend you guys just using the DHL, because not only is the fastest one, but it's also the safest option out there. And yeah, it's also, as you can see, the cheapest available here. So without a hesitation, let's just click on the DHL first line and we will just ship out this order. As you can see, we have the free insurance on JoyaBuy. All the packs on JoyaBuy have the free insurance, which is so nice, so good. And yeah, so that's how it goes. You don't need to declare anything, it's just auto declare, so there are no any issues with it. And yeah, let's just submit this package. Simply click on submit. Make sure your address is correct. Click on correct and confirm and submit. And just like this, you can just pay for your order, and soon it will be available for you to track it, and then after like 15-20 days you will be able to just enjoy your haul like I do with some different products that I received from JoyaBuy. So yeah, that's pretty much it as for this video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. I will definitely help you with just buying things on JoyaBuy or any other agent, and that's pretty much it. See you in the next video, bye.